Imagine two friends talking about their new club. One lists all the cool toys and games, the what. The other talks about why they started the club, to help everyone learn and have fun together. Which friend makes you more excited? Inspiring people and businesses are like that second friend. They begin by sharing their deep belief or purpose, their why. Most people, when they talk about what they do, start with the what. They might say, I sell yummy cookies, or my company builds awesome apps. This is the easiest part to explain. It's the product or service you can see. But just knowing what someone does doesn't always tell you why you should care or what makes them special. It's simply the basic information about what is offered. Next, we have the how. This is about how you do things. For example, maybe you bake your cookies using a secret family recipe for extra softness, or your app is designed in a super simple way. The how describes your unique process, skills, or what makes you different from others. It's an important part of your story, but it's still not the deepest, most inspiring part. But the most powerful part is the why. This isn't about making money, it's about your true purpose, your core belief, your cause. Why do you wake up excited every morning? Why does your company truly exist beyond selling things? It's the deep reason you do anything at all, the passionate belief that truly matters to you and others, and that's what truly inspires. Simon Sinek helps us understand this with the golden circle. Imagine a target with 3 rings, the very middle is why, the next ring out is how, and the outermost ring is what. Most businesses communicate from the outside in, telling people what they do, then how. But inspiring leaders always communicate from the inside out, starting with their why, then moving to their how, and finally their what. Think about Apple. They don't just say, we make great computers. They communicate, we believe in challenging the way things are done and thinking differently. Their amazing computers and iPhones are what they make, and their simple designs are how they do it. But it's their powerful why, their belief in innovation, that truly excites people and builds incredible loyalty. People connect with that belief, not just the product. When you start with your why, you're not just selling a product, you're sharing a belief, a vision for the world. People don't just buy what you make, they buy why you make it, because they share that same belief. This creates a special connection, like finding best friends who understand you. It builds deep trust and inspires people to join your cause, making them feel part of something bigger.